Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Get ear-thumping bass. Maximize your car's audio experience. If you're a car enthusiast, you know that achieving optimal bass in your car's audio system can make a world of difference in your listening experience. The deep, rich tones can transform your favorite songs from ordinary to extraordinary, immersing you in the music like never before. However, many car owners face challenges when trying to fine-tune their bass sound. From dealing with distorted audio to struggling with the right equipment setup, getting that perfect bass can feel like a daunting task. But fear not. With the right knowledge and techniques, you can make your car's bass sound its absolute best. In this post, we'll delve into the essential tips and tricks to help you optimize the bass in your car audio system. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or just looking to enhance your driving soundtrack, this guide will provide you with practical solutions to elevate your listening experience on the road. So buckle up and get ready to take your car audio to the next level. Understanding bass frequencies. Music aficionados and car audio enthusiasts alike understand that bass frequencies play a pivotal role in enhancing the overall auditory experience in a vehicle. Let's delve into the realm of bass frequencies and uncover why they are essential for achieving the best sound quality in your car audio system. Frequency range of bass. In the realm of car audio systems, bass frequencies typically fall within the range of 20 Hz to 200 Hz. This spectrum of low-frequency sound waves adds depth and richness to music, creating a full-bodied listening experience that resonates with the soul. Low bass frequencies ranging from 20 Hz to 80 Hz provide the foundation and depth in music, giving that satisfying rumble that you can feel in your chest. Mid-bass frequencies between 80 Hz to 200 Hz contribute to the warmth and body of sound, enhancing the rhythmic elements of tracks. High bass frequencies, although less common in car audio, can add punch and impact to certain beats and tones. Understanding the interplay between these low, mid and high bass frequencies is crucial to crafting an audio setup that delivers a balanced and immersive sound experience for every musical genre. Importance of bass in car audio. Bass is not merely about rattling windows and turning heads as you cruise down the street. It is an integral component of any well-rounded car audio system. The presence of robust bass enhances the depth and dimension of music, elevating the listening experience to new heights. In genres like hip-hop, electronic dance music and rock, where pounding beats and deep bass lines reign supreme, a lack of bass response can leave the sound feeling flat and uninspiring. Bass adds energy, emotion and intensity to these genres, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the sonic landscape crafted by the artists. By embracing the importance of bass in car audio, you unlock a world of sonic possibilities where each note, each beat and each rhythm resonates with clarity and power, transforming every drive into a musical journey like no other. Optimizing your car's bass sound. When it comes to enhancing the bass sound in your car audio system, several key factors play a crucial role. Let's delve into some effective techniques that can help you optimize your car's bass performance for a truly immersive audio experience. Speaker placement. Speaker placement is fundamental in maximizing bass reproduction in your car. The ideal locations for subwoofers are often in the trunk or at the rear of the vehicle, as these areas allow for better bass distribution and resonance. For speakers, positioning them in the front doors or dashboard can help achieve optimal bass output without compromising overall sound quality. Sound deadening. The importance of sound deadening materials cannot be overstated when aiming to enhance bass clarity and reduce distortion in your car audio setup. By effectively soundproofing your car interiors with materials like mass-loaded vinyl or foam insulation, you can minimize external noise interference and improve bass response. Consider applying sound-deadening mats to doors, floors and trunk areas for better acoustics. Amplifiers and equalizers. Amplifiers and equalizers play a significant role in fine-tuning bass frequencies to suit your preferences. Investing in a high-quality amplifier can provide sufficient power to drive your speakers and subwoofers, resulting in a deeper and more resonant bass. Additionally, adjusting the equalizer settings to boost lower frequencies can further enhance the bass response, allowing you to customize the sound profile to your liking. By strategically placing speakers, incorporating sound-deadening materials, and optimizing amplifiers and equalizers, you can significantly improve the bass quality in your car audio system. Experiment with different settings and configurations to find the perfect balance that suits your listening preferences and transforms your driving experience into a sonic journey. Thanks for tuning in to part 1 of our guide on maximizing your car's audio experience. We hope you found the information valuable in your pursuit of superior sound. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore additional tips and tricks for enhancing your car audio setup. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this.